Yes. Children, did you complete this question mark? Now, did you understand how the question marks are used? Yes. We use this question mark in the form of making a questions or asking a question, and in the form of verb sentence also we are going to use this tag as a question mark. Okay, now it is ended with. After making a sentence, we are going to end with the question mark, which is in the form of asking a question. So that is ended with the tag called question mark. This is a tag, it is used as a symbol. Okay, now next, quotation marks. Quotation mark. Quotation marks. What are quotation marks? This is also quotation mark, one of the punctuation verb. How we are going to use these quotation marks? We use a quotation mark. We use a quotation mark to set off a direct quotations. Direct quotations. Example, Rani said, I am tired. I am tired. Rani said, I am tired. Yes, these, what are the symbols or the quotation mark we are going to use? Like this. And like this also we are going to use this type of quotation marks. Okay? Understood? Then listen the explanation. Quotation marks is one of the type of punctuation mark. So, what are the symbols? See, while starting the sentence, what is the main sentence? We are going to, yes, we use a quotation marks to set off a direct quotations. How this direct speech, how the quotation marks are used means to set the sentence in the direct speech. That is direct from the starting sentence. We are going to start with the quotation marks, and also the sentence will be ended with the quotation marks. How? Rani said, I am tired. Here, the direct quotations can be done here from the higher type for the main sentence. How the Rani was? Easily we can know she is tired. Okay, now that is the quotation marks we use in the punctuation. It is also one of the punctuation marks. Okay? Exclamation mark. Next, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. How the exclamation mark it is used? Like this. Did everyone completed this? We use an exclamation. We use an exclamation mark to show sudden feelings, excitement, Today we won the match. We won the match. That is ended with exclamation. How? Yeah, like this. Yes, here exclamation mark. Exclamation mark also one of the punctuation mark. It is also one of the type of a punctuation mark. How we are going to use? We use an exclamation mark to show sudden feelings or excitement or etc. Means example, Ray, we won the match. Means for sudden expressions means they have a sudden expressions like listening some news, a good news or bad news or anything. We giving us some expressions or some excitement or sudden feelings that can be ended with the given tag or exclamation. The symbol of exclamation mark is like this. Yes? Okay? Understood? Don't be confused. For the question mark, we are going to ask with the questioning. We are going to ask a question. We are making a question. So, that is ended with the question mark and it is ended with the exclamation mark. This is the straight line. This is a standing line. It is ended with the full stop. Down, that is the exclamation mark. And the question mark will be like this. Okay? Understood? Now next, apostrophe. Yes? Everyone write this? Now, apostrophe. Yes, completed everyone? Apostrophe. Apostrophe is used like this. Apostrophe is one of the punctuation mark. It is also one of the type of punctuation. How we are going to use this? As apostrophe is used to show the position. Is used to show the position. These are Banu's book. These are Banu's book. Next, more. We use an apostrophe to combine two words. To combine two words. Example, she's playing. She's playing in the garden. In the garden. They have two pets. Yes? Yes? See. Now, everyone look at the word apostrophe. This is also one of the type of punctuation mark. Yes? This is ended with this symbol like this one. Okay? As apostrophe is used to show the positions. How? These are Banu's book. See, Banu's, Manu's, Ravi's. Means we are, he is one person only. Not only thing, not only person, not only human being. Whatever we are going to be, add. Means we are going to show particularly this person, particularly this thing, particularly that animal. We are going to say that in that presence we are going to use is means apostrophe, means combining two words. Okay, here these are Banu's book. That in the presence of we are going to use apostrophe. Yes, like the symbol Banu's means we are going to tell like that direct speech. There's something positions we are going to use here Banu's book. Okay, now we use an apostrophe to combine two words. Like she is playing in the garden. They have two pets. Yes, here combining two things means combining two words means they aren't, they aren't, they are not. See, for example, they are not. We are writing they aren't. They aren't. Yes, combining two words now here. Like he is. He is. Here he is. She is. She is. She is. Yes, combining two words in the form of one word. Yes, to become a one word, we are going to use a apostrophe. Yes, understood how to use a apostrophe? Here, these are the types of punctuation marks. These are the types of punctuation marks. How these are punctuation marks? Did everyone understood how many types of punctuations are there? Once again I am repeating, listen. Here each and every one copy in your book, have a book and read once, you will be getting easily understand. Okay now? So how many punctuation mark? Once again I am repeating, you listen carefully. Punctuation mark. It is a punctuation mark, it is used, punctuation mark, it is used in the form of speaking or to communicate with others or to make a sentence properly and make a content. To make a content should be understood in a proper way. The punctuations are used. Okay. And how many types of punctuations are there? Different types of punctuations are there. They are period and also comma, question mark, quotation marks and also exclamation mark and also apostrophe. How the symbols are used, we have learnt. Yes, we have learnt what are the symbols are used. We have learnt the symbols also. Full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation marks. Yes, and apostrophe and exclamation mark. These are the punctuation types of punctuations. Punctuation mark. These are the punctuation marks. Yes, these are the punctuation marks we are going to use. Okay, and how these we use and we clearly have learned also. Yes, where the period means we will be ending. The sentence will be ended with the. Means we are going to complete the sentence. My name is so and so. So we are ending with our name. So we have to end with the full stop. That is full stop. The dot, the symbol it is used. What is the question mark? It is also one of the type of punctuation. And how we are going to end with the question mark tag? How? The symbol, the question mark, it is used when we end up with the sentence. What type of sentence? What? We are making a question. We are forming a, making a question. We are making question marks means, excuse me, we are asking type of questions. What is your name? What type? Okay, what is your name? What you are doing? In the form of indirect speech, that is, we are verb sentence also we are ending with the question marks. How? Did you complete your work? Did you have your dinner? Yes, we are asking a question. We are are making a question, means we are asking to him a type of question. So we are that is ended with the question mark. Yes. And comma it is used to separate the two things or two words or two peoples or persons or anything. The comma it is used. That is the symbol comma we use like this. We use the comma symbol. And not only things or anything, words also can be separated. For example, day, month, when. See, when is your date of birth? When is your date of birth? How we are going to give the date of birth? See, date, day, date, month and the year. In this, we are going to show in the form of commas and ended with the full stop. Yes, there it is on one sentence. There it is on one sentence. It is ended with the commas at the same time with the full stop. Yes, that is the comma. We use the comma in the form of order of adjectives also. Okay, in the form of adjectives also, because how she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful with her a blue dress. We are going to describe her with the beautiful dress, with the blue dress. We are see beautiful blue dress. These are the separating words. Yes, we are going to describe that she is looking very beautiful in the form of comma. We are going to separate each and every thing, adjectives there also. Yes. Now question mark. Question mark. We use this question mark at the end of the question mark. That is we have learned already. Yes. We use the quotation mark in the form of set direct quotations. How? Means she was tired. She was tired means there at the end, first starting at the ending, which is the main thing she is looking for. That we are going to start with the quotation mark and we will be ending with the quotation mark. The sentence. Okay. Main thing. And exclamation mark. We have already learned about the exclamation mark. How it is ended with that. It is ended with the exclamation tag like this. And this exclamation mark, it is used when the sudden expression suddenly used and also suddenly happen things, and when we listen the sudden matters, we will be like this, hooray. That is also in the type of sentence we will be ending with the exclamation mark. Okay. And apostrophe. Apostrophe is used in the form of some possessions, means where we use this apostrophe to combine some two words or to describe one person in the form of two types. Means she is, she was, she isn't, she's not, is not, means is not. In that two words we are going to combine the two words isn't, hasn't, wasn't, aren't, where, we have, they have. Yes, in this type of shouldn't, should not, like this. A long form, short words, in that forms we are going to describe this apostrophe. Okay, understood? I hope everyone understood these punctuations, today's grammar, and next class we are going to learn how the sentence are created. What is a sentence? How the sentence are, how many types of sentence can we make? We are going to learn in the next class. Okay, I hope everyone understood this, and also everyone try to complete in your classwork and note in your classwork also compulsory. Okay, thank you.